All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today I figured we go ahead and do an unboxing, man. I got some things in the mail, so I figured we'd open them up together. Some of this I am unfamiliar with. I don't know exactly what everything is, but we shall see. So the first thing here, man, I got from a subscriber, and I think I know what this one is. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so he got me a letter in here, man. It says, Triple B. Not really a fan, wore for several hours and didn't click for me. I think I know what this is. It said, worth abating my curiosity though, enjoy my brother. And what I believe this one is the Versace Eros Flame. If this is what I think it is, he hit me up like Big Beard B. I know this isn't in the US yet, but I got some decants. I like to send it to you. So I said, all right, cool, my pimpin'. It's not available here yet. I've heard some things about Timmy. He has it. Ooh, lucky guy. But not everyone has it, so let's check it out. Damn, he wrapped this up tight. All right, so this is it. Versace Flame Eau de Parfum. Let's check it out, man. Got me a 3 ml decant. What do you think? Are we gonna like it? She has no idea, neither do I. It's a lot more citrus than the original. It's like you can smell a DNA there. But on first sprays of this one, I do like it. It's citrus. It's very much more lighter than the other one. So I think that this one is a lot better for someone like me who lives in Florida, because Eros isn't really the best thing for us to wear down here. I don't think right off the break that you would think this one is a flanker of that one if it didn't have the name. It didn't carry the namesake of it. But so far, I like it. I will have to try this out. So I know Timmy didn't like it in his initial review of it, or his first impressions, but it did garner him a lot of compliments, so I'm looking forward to checking this one out. I can't wait till it's available stateside so I can give you guys a full review, but so far so good. All right, man, so we got another package here. This one comes in from New Jersey. I think I know what this one is. I got 2 companies that send me stuff from New Jersey on a frequent basis, and one of them, I know it's not it, so this one, yes. So this one is from Initio Parfums, and this one is their new one, Oud For Greatness. I'm saying this is a new one. I don't know if it's new fully. They did hit me up and said they wanted to send it to me, so I'm going to go ahead and check it out on camera. So they sent me a tester bottle of this one, which is perfectly fine. 90 ml, boom. Oh, I like the presentation on this one, man. It's black and gold. Nice display on this one. Oud For Greatness, man. It has natural oud in here. It's agarwood oil, lavender, saffron, nutmeg, patchouli, musk. Smells good so far. I think this is gonna be a more wearable oud. All right. Like, I can detect the oud in this one. It's not like strong. This one's definitely a much more wearable oud. Think on the lines of Creed Royal Oud. I'm not saying they smell alike, but this one's definitely a lot more wearable than, you know, Bond's New York Oud. Now, traditionally with Initio, they do all natural ingredients with this one, and from the note breakdown on the back of here, it looks the same, right? So natural oud wood and natural agarwood oil. You got lavender, saffron, nutmeg, patchouli, and musk in this one, and I like it. It's kind of sweet, but not overly sweet. I do enjoy this one, and man, like I said before about anything with Initio, if you are in the state of Florida and you're looking to pick this up, Osme Perfumery down in Woodenwood, which is down in the Miami area, that's the only place that I know of where they are licensed to really sell this stuff here. So make sure you, if you're in the area, go ahead and check them out. And on December 6th, that's today, they are doing an event over there. So make sure you check them out. If you haven't, if you are there, then salute to you. I will not be there, a little late notification on my end, but nonetheless, man, nice fragrance overall. And another one that I got, I already opened the box on this one, but I figured I would share it with you guys. And this one comes from Masque Milano, and this one is Hemingway. This is a Eau de Parfum concentration, and I do like this one, man. This one, to me though, is not for the faint of heart. So Hemingway is a 2018 release from the house of Masque Milano, and I think it's a solid fragrance. It's not for everyone, but this one is a solid fragrance. You have notes of rhubarb, ginger, vetiver, cedarwood, patchouli, and leather, and it gives it this really masculine and earthy feel. Actually, when I first sprayed this one, I thought it was like kind of medicinal, but my wife didn't get that at all. She actually got a lot of the woods in it, and as it dries down, I get that as well. It's a bit smoky, it's a bit green, and I think this one again is a solid release. I think these go for $165 for 35 ml of these. I will have official reviews on all of these coming out, but this is the mail call, and this is what we got in, man. So let me know if you are interested in trying any of these fragrances out. Which house are you like, yeah, I like that house? And two of these obviously niche. The Versace Eros Flame is going to be, I guess, one of the bigger releases, as that's his designer. You'll find that everywhere. But overall, man, I think these are 3 solid releases, at least so far. I'll have to try them on skin, go out and about, see how they do, but I wanted to give you guys first impressions on those 3. So comment below and let me know your thoughts and your opinions if you tried any of these out. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And as always, hit the goddamn bell.